Hi, I'm John Trishler from SPV Parts, and today we're going to talk about factory fog connector adapters. And so we've got several available for different vehicles, Raptors, Broncos, F-150s, you name it, and other vehicles, because most of these are crossover depending on which vehicle that you have. And the idea behind these is that if you have factory fog lights that you're taking out, you have a factory connector left behind. And rather than cutting that connector off, you're able to plug in one of these adapters to change that connector type to match to whatever light brand that you have. For example, this matches up to a rigid, and this one plugs into the bottom of an F-150 Raptor. If you had a Baja Designs light, for example, you could get this style. And this style is going to plug into the two-way Baja Designs connection and then into the bottom of, in this case, your Raptor. But we've got them for other vehicles such as the F-150, the new 21 F-150, the 20 and back F-150, Broncos, you name it. And depending on the vehicle you have, again, it's just a different adapter style. So this way we're able to help you get a connector to plug in without cutting your factory connectors off and match up to your lights with your factory connections. We're going to show you real quick how those plug in to a factory connector. When you are going to plug in any of our OEM fog adapters to any OEM connections, they basically are going to be just like this. The connector is going to match to your vehicle's connector so that when you plug it in, just like so, it's going to come out and match up to the light that you have. For example, this one's a rigid. This one would be for most Baja Designs lights and other lights. And so you can match and make those connectors match up to any light. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com to pick up these adapters and other harnesses and accessories for your vehicles. Again, we look forward to seeing you. Leave some comments below, and we'll see you next time.